Welcome to yoga. Meet me in child's pose. With your knees wide, hips low, walk your arms forward and rest your forehead down on your mat. Take a scan of your body and notice if there's anything you're holding on to that you can let go, just by bringing awareness to it. Shoulders, jaw, eyes, hands, hips. When you're ready, make your way to downward facing dog. With a firm foundation through your hands and feet. Add a little bit of movement or anything that feels good for you. Press your hips high and back. Let your head hang heavy. Take a walk to the top of your mat into a forward fold. With your feet about hip distance apart. Give a generous bend to your knees. And with a heavy head, just feel your breath travel up and down your spine, noticing any subtle sensation along the way. And find halfway lift, sliding your hands up your shins for a nice long flat back. Extending through the crown of your head. Keep your weight even in your feet. Inhale. Exhale to forward fold. Now deeply bend your knees, tuck your chin, and slowly unroll all the way up to standing. Just bring your hands together at heart center and close your eyes. Where the breath goes, the body follows. So with our breath, we can practice out with the old, in with the new. Take a big inhale through your nose. Open mouth, let it go. Really let it go, all of it, every last bit of air. Then take another big inhale through your nose, even deeper this time. Open mouth, let it go. Last time, in through your nose. Releasing what no longer serves us. Let it go. Then seal your lips. Blink your eyes open. Reach your arms overhead for mountain pose and take a big breath in as you energize through your fingertips. Exhale to mini back bend. Bend your elbows open and lift up through your heart. Inhale back to your mountain pose, arms reach up. Exhale to forward fold, come all the way down. Give a soft bend in your knees. You can fold deeply, releasing every last bit of your exhale at the bottom. Then release your hands and find halfway lift. Slide your hands up your shins, press your heart forward, even the weight out in your feet so you're not just in your heels. Inhale. Exhale, forward fold, and step your left foot back. For a runner's lunge, toe heel your right foot towards the upper right corner of your mat. Nice long stance between your feet. Feel free to lower your back knee down to the mat if that feels good, and let your head hang heavy. Notice all the sensation, all the tension you feel in your body, and use your breath to help unlock it, to help loosen it up so that you can let that go. And we're going to add on the booty drop variation that we love so much. So with your left hand down, turn your body to the left so your left hip starts to reach down towards the ground. You'll pivot on your back foot and your right knee will begin to open up. And you can even use your right arm to help press your right knee open. Just take this as deep as you want to go because it gets intense quickly. So Breathe. Let it feel good. We won't be here for very long. Then make your way back to center, both hands down to your mat. With your back knee down, shift your hips back and straighten out your right leg for a variation of hanumanasana prep. It's not perfect, it's just a nice long hamstring stretch. And you can even prop up on fingertips if it helps soften the intensity. Then from here, curl your back toes under, walk your hands forward as you straighten out your left leg. For a skandasana, turn your body to the left, deeply bending your right knee as you stretch out your whole inner thigh on your left side. You can keep your hands down into a kind of a deep side lunge variation, or you can bring your hands together at heart center. Then from here, walk your hands to the back of your mat for a runner's lunge on your left side. With a deep bend in your left knee, you can lower your right knee down to the mat, let your head hang heavy, find the breath that serves you best here. And if you're asking your hips to release tension, some of the biggest muscles in your body, you got to start with the ones you have the most control over, some of the smallest muscles in your body, like the muscles in your face, your jaw, around your eyes. Then find the breath that can coax your body into softening and relaxing. From here, let's add on the booty drop. So with your right hand down, lower your right hip down as you pivot on your back foot. Your left knee will begin to open up and you'll feel a lot of sensation, but use your breath to rinse it all away. And then come back to center for your hamstring stretch with your back knee down. Straighten out your left leg as you prop your hands on fingertips. Nice long spine. So it's like our hanumanasana prep, except that your hands are inside of your front leg. For skandasana, walk your hands forward, deep bend in your left knee, straighten out your right leg, turn your body to the side. And we'll flow that one more time, 3 breaths, 1 movement, but fewer cues this time, so you can really find your breath and feel that breath washing in and out of your body. So when you're ready, make your way to your runner's lunge. Top of your mat. And make your way to your booty drop. Left hip down. And come into your hamstring stretch. Shift your hips back. And make your way to skandasana, a deep side lunge. Walk your hands all the way to the back of your mat for your runner's lunge on your left side. Then booty drop, right hip down. For your hamstring stretch, shift your hips back. Next is Skandasana, your deep side lunge. Then gracefully make your way to a child's pose facing the front of your mat to reset. Notice everything about how you feel, where you feel it. And slowly rise. And make your way to a seated position. Shift your legs out in front of you. Then bring the soles of your feet together. Take your hands to your feet, and instead of trying to push your knees open down towards the ground, just feel your body relax into place as you slowly begin to hinge forward, folding over your legs. Let your head hang heavy. And feel your breath travel up and down your spine. With each exhale, washing away the tension, whether it's in your face, your jaw, your shoulders, or your hips. Feel your muscles settle into place over time. Sometimes all we really need to do to clean up is to just bring awareness to the junk that we've been living with this whole time. Really look around, feel it within. What is no longer serving you? What can you release? Use your hands to press yourself up to seated. Bring your hands together at heart center and close your eyes. And take a moment to find gratitude for committing to yourself in your practice today. For releasing what no longer serves you so that you can show up new, open, and ready to whatever opportunity lies ahead. And remember that where your breath goes, your body follows. So let your breath be fluid, strong, and calm. Just like you. Namaste.